Let's face it, as parents of young children, we don't have a lot of money these days. Between childcare costs, healthcare costs, constantly buying new clothes, and don't get me started about the fruit budget, there's not a lot of money left over at the end of the day. So if you're like me, you don't have a ton of money set aside to make sure that your kids are financially supported if something were to happen and you pass away unexpectedly. Well, we are already naming that testamentary guardian to take on the parental role of your children. That is a lot of responsibility. We don't want to also put a financial burden on them as well. So a great way to avoid this financial burden is to put in place a term life insurance policy. This is a way to put a tiny bit of money aside just to make sure that there are funds there to take care of your kids if something were to happen to you unexpectedly. It's not that expensive if you're relatively young and healthy, and just a great way to utilize a little bit of extra cash that you have. So, go ahead and get that life insurance policy in place, but don't forget to talk to your estate planning attorney about the beneficiary designations for that policy.